I wish you health. I am the commander of one of the reconnaissance units of the 152nd Separate Ranger Brigade, which performs combat tasks in the Pokrovsk direction of the Donetsk region. A few days ago, we reached out to public and charitable organizations, volunteers from Ukraine and around the world. Today I received protective nets to shield forward positions, equipment, and military personnel from enemy FPV drones. We sincerely thank the public charity organization I Will Help. From the city of Odessa, represented by its director ZLATIN Oleksandr Yuriyovich, Boris GOLODENKO, Maksym LEVENDA, and the public organization Help Ukraine United Digital. Everything will be Ukraine. Together we create the future. Together to victory. Glory to Great Britain and the free world. Glory to Ukraine. Glory to the heroes.